I reckon that must be... Actually, is Utlands? I don't know. Well, that's no flipping good.
You right?
Yeah. I reckon the weight is opening the door. So, the towel board is leaking again. And I think it's because the trailer's just that little bit worn and old. It's never really had to deal with grains before, so we would never have noticed it. But as soon as you get enough weight on the back door, I think it opens, it's enough force just to spring it loose on the pins, which is a bit frustrating. So we've wedged some plastic wrap down the back of it. I'm now going back up the same road and I'm looking at this and it's like, oh, for goodness sake. Shush, Mr. Radio. So yeah, I'm going back up the same road and I'm looking at this, and wherever I've stopped for a couple of seconds, like at the junction, I've got a spade full of grain on the floor, and it's like, oh, for goodness sake. Never mind, that is the nature of the farming. Also, my aerials fell off the cab, so now that's banging on my back window. Right then, we're now moving on to field 4. I'm really gutted. The tailgate is still managing to open under the weight of the barley in the back of it. as soon as it's touching the tailboard and you start going down the road, the weight of it's managing to open the tailboard, which is really disappointing because I've probably just lost quite a bit of barley. We're only going half a mile down the road, but still, it looks tragic on the roadside, so I'm going to have to get the road brush and clear that up. It's real bad. But Mum's going to have a lot of chicken feed for a little while, I should think. But yeah, the only way I'm going to get around this is by permanently powering the tailboard shut, just to make sure that it's shut, because that was an upsetting amount we've just lost, really. Well, a bit of a disaster really when you've only done 20 acres worth, so it's not a great deal of losses if it was 500 acres, but not the point. When that's 500 acres, it's a bit disappointing to lose some, but yeah, we'll carry on. Like I said, I should just put the tailboard into permanent power. I'm just checking now, it's forward, so don't pull it back. Right, let's get combining the last field. apart from this bit we're now driving over, which is spilled on the road.
No, don't tell me about that bit, it's fine.
No, it's fine. See, with editing, I can cut that out, and everybody's just going to think I'm an amazing kart driver. Didn't spill a single drop.
I think that was true. No.
But yeah, it's done. Got a little bit of baling to look forward to. So yeah, not a lot else to say apart from bloody good day.
What time did you start, 2?
We started about. Well, we got the combine over to the Oddfellows at about 12ish. We then properly started about 1.
Oh, so it's now 8, so you've been doing it for 7 hours.
Yeah.
And you're done. It's pretty good
20
going.
acres in 7 hours with a, I think it's a CS 9070 new model. Was it a CR? Oh, I thought it was CS. CR.
I don't think we could have got a lot better today. Nice sunset to end the day.
Yeah, it's been good weather all day as well. No hint of rain or cloud.
No?
I think tomorrow is a different story.
Yeah, and a Chinese in a bit.
Yeah.
What more could we want?
Not a lot, I reckon. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. We're off for a Chinese. Bye.